Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 11 June 2021. The reason why I'm actually telling the date here and everything is because it's Kabir's second birthday and he has no idea what's going on. So yesterday night me and Jeet were like, we were up till 1 o'clock. We blew all the balloons or did, little bit of decoration here and there, and I baked a cake. Not saying it's the perfect one, but I love it. And also packed Kabir's small gifts that we bought for him. Obviously this is COVID time, so we are not inviting everyone, and even otherwise I don't, it's not that I don't believe in parties and stuff. It's good, but he doesn't actually understand, so I would have done something different, but nothing can be done, nothing major can be done due to COVID-19. But anyways, so he's up, he's all dressed, I'm all dressed. I'm wearing this, a white dress. Not that it's my birthday, but whichever way we can make it special for him. So yeah, I'm just gonna get in, and he has no idea what's here. So I'm gonna, before he comes, I'm gonna show you guys how we decorated. Nothing crazy, little bit here and there, but I love it. So yeah, I'll just show you guys. So here is happy birthday balloon, and here is the sign 2 because Kabir is turning 2. And then we decorated this garland kind of a thing, and it's a we need safari theme, so this is how it looks. And here's the cake that I made. So now let's get Kabir and have no idea how he's gonna react. Jeet was saying, he might get scared seeing all the animal kind of a thing. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just very happy because my little one turned 2. Why shouldn't I be? It's his birthday. I'm like very, very happy. Birthday boy. Hi.
Look.
Hi! Here is a birthday boy! Mwah! Happy birthday!
Kabu clap. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! So this is Kabir's OOTD. He's wearing a jeans short and white t-shirt, has dinosaurs on it. Because our theme is safari!
2 years, Kabu is 2 years. 1, 2.
Kabu, do you like it? Yay! Yay!
Look, balloons. Balloons. Lick the moment don't set it in the birthday cake. Can you touch?
Yeah!
Oh.
Choo-choo!
Really, Papa?
Gift train the way to go! Uh-oh! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kabir. Happy birthday to you.
Mau bilang apa? Naik lah. Yay!
So here we are. There is birthday boy, and we are going out for. Actually, we have couple of things to buy, and today is the day where all the non-essential items are open to purchase. So it was not actually till yesterday night. There was a restriction of many of the items. So we have couple of things to buy for Kabir. So we're gonna buy that, and it's actually very gloomy and windy day. So we'll see if I mean gloom is still fine. If it's really windy, we will not take him out, but it's not, then we will go and get some swings. Excited? He's really having a fun day. He hasn't opened his gift yet. We will do it once we finish our lunch. I'm actually very sleepy. We all went, it's a couple of hours later, we all went for a nap. This one and Daddy took a nap. I actually slept for just about 10 minutes and then I couldn't. I'm actually bleeding on and off, so I'm also having some Braxton Hicks contractions, so a lot of discomfort, pain, so I'm actually not able to sleep, but I'm very sleepy. So we got some takeout from an Indian restaurant, so I'm very excited for that. So it's Kabir's birthday, but he doesn't eat from outside, so we got to eat from outside. And I think chili. So we are really excited because this is a new Indian restaurant and we have got like good reviews from the we have heard good things about that restaurant, so really excited to try it out. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what all things we ordered. And Kabir is still on his cake. You wanna eat that?
Baba, you finish your food first.
We got to finish our lunch, Baba. Then we will eat. This is mushroom pyaza, and this is something called paneer. Paneer what?
Lababdar. This is chili.
Lababdar, and this is.
It should have been over there, I think so.
It's okay. And we also have some
Biryani.
Chicken biryani. So this biryani is nothing like Hyderabadi biryani, and we used to live in Hyderabad.
Thank you.
Hyderabadi biryani is the best. And this biryani looks good. We'll see. Have some raita and complimentary rice to go with. So we're just gonna finish this. Not finish actually. We're gonna have our lunch and then probably watch some TV.
Okay, remove your shoes.
And
shoes off.
Go on a small drive, and yeah, nothing planned. Kabir, you had fun today? Kabir had fun today. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon.
Say bye.
In our next one. Bye guys.